Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to another adventures on the Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails. Well, I didn't catch them coming through last night. I decided to wait and catch them on the way back. So they're on their way to Valiant tonight to meet with the local Kiamichi, the Kiamichi local. So they're gonna mix the local with the midway, and they send two Kiamichi units. Two kiamichi units with one swoop. So this is all for my fans out there, including my brothers on the railroads, and so here they come on their way back. It is at least, it's probably 9:50. Yeah, it's actually 9:58. Yeah, 9:58. And they should probably at least getting to Valiant at least around 10. They're gonna meet my other brothers on the DQ&E. Um, so this is really neat. But I'm not going that way tonight. I'm decided to stay close. I got a little bit of stuff to do in the morning, and then in a couple of days, when I ain't busy, I gotta work for another friend. So money to keep my rail fan going, and stuff going. But my favorite deal is to work for a railroad if I do. But someday I will. But for now, I like doing this. And I love seeing my brothers, known as my friends, known as my brothers, driving these trains and working for the favorite companies, which I love, the Kiamichi Railroad and the DQ&E. So, everyone, live action on the Kiamichi Railroad. Woo! Alrighty guys, live action, that'll be it for the night guys. Oh, share, comment if you haven't already. Don't forget to comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Alrighty, I'll see you guys later. Marshalling out, thanks for watching. See you later, and please watch all my old videos if y'all haven't. Please support my channel. If you want to support my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. So please help my channel guys, and please, I need your help. Please, so please help out my channel and support me, and I'll keep making some good videos for you guys, and so I hope y'all love it. So so there they go on their way to Hugo after they get done with Valiant, mixing with the local, and my other friends that's driving the Midway train, they'll go home, and my other friends will drive the train. Known as my other brothers, it's working the local, will be driving their train with the other one back to Hugo at the exact same time. So please guys, support my channel, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on another episode on the Kiamichi Railroad on the Hot Rails by Marshall Price Productions. That is me, who films the Kiamichi Railroad and the DQ&E, known as the Queen Eastern Railroad and the Kiamichi Railroad. So, see you guys later. Marshing out. See y'all guys next time. See you guys next time on the Hot Rails, known as the Hot Iron. I'll see you guys later. Marshing out. Thank you for watching. Be safe out there, and don't be speeding, and do speed limit, and just try to, and be safe out there, and be safe during storm season. Marshing out, thanks for watching.